Hey guys, it's Mr. Chu, and here's what you're going to learn today. By the end of this video, you should be able to graph a polar equation. Now with video 3, we're asked to identify and graph the equation r equals -2 cosine theta. And as always, if you're not quite sure what this graph is going to look like, turn this polar equation into a rectangular equation. And so I'm going to start by multiplying both sides by r to get r squared equals -2r cosine theta. And we'll do a direct substitution to get x squared plus y squared equals -2x. I'm going to complete the square to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus y squared equals 1. I'm going to factor to get x plus 1 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 1 squared. And again, we're doing this on purpose because you've got some very important information. You've got the center of your circle, and yes, this is a third different way that we can represent circles. You've got the center at -1, 0, and the radius of this circle is 1. Now to find the other coordinates, similar to video 2, we're going to use some values for theta to substitute into the original equation. And that original equation again was r equals -2 cosine theta. I'm going to use some values. I've got pi on 2, and when we substitute that into our equation, we get 0. When you substitute in 2 pi and 3, you get r equals 1. 3 pi and 4 yields approximately 1.41. Then when you substitute 5 pi on 6, you get approximately 1.73. And when using pi, you get 2. Then for 7 pi and 6, you get approximately 1.73. For 5 pi and 4, you get 1.41-ish, and then for 4 pi and 3, you get 1, and to round out 3 pi on 2, you get a value of 0. Now, we're going to take these coordinates and plot them on the polar grid to the right. And so we're going to start out with pi on 2, 0, and then you've got a point at 2 pi and 3, 1. And then you've got 3 pi and 4, 1.41. And at 5 pi and 6, you get approximately 1.73. At pi, you're at 2. At 7 pi and 6, you're at about 1.73. At 5 pi and 4, you're at about 1.41. And finally, at 4 pi and 3, you're at 1. And we can connect our points to get a circle. And that's it.